Hey gardeners, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to transplant some Adenium seedlings which I have germinated from Adenium seeds a few months back. So these are the seedlings and now it's the best time to repot them in Adenium soil mix because the nutrient requirement will increase as they will grow. In 3 months they are almost 2 to 3 inches tall and can be easily transplanted. So let's prepare the soil first. This is cinder which I collected from local blacksmith shop and prepared to use as plant potting media. If you haven't watched this video on cinder, how to prepare cinder for plants, I have linked that on the end screen of this video and also in description below. Before repotting, you need to remember some basic important points. Number 1. You can use any other cactus succulent soil mix for Adenium seedling. Number 2 is use the spoon method to take out the seedlings from sand. Number 3 and very important point is make sure that you insert the plant's future cortex above the soil. If it's too below the soil level, then it can lead to rot and death. Number 4. After repotting, water this with dilute antifungal mixed water. Here is the result almost after 10 months of repotting. And the cortex just started to form. Thick and fleshy cortex, the sign of healthy Adenium plant. Hope you guys like this video. Then don't forget to subscribe and comment below with your feedback and queries.